Hey guys, Diesel back here in the Nerd Cave with a quick unboxing video for you today. So when this movie was announced a couple months back, I jumped on it and pre-ordered it, and it came in, and it's Friday the 13th, the 40th anniversary Steelbook. Now before we get into this, just wanted to show off some of the versions that I already have in my collection. And as collectors, as you know, we pick up multiple versions of the same movie because, we have to, right? So just starting off with the Friday 13th. I'm not going to dive into these. I've done this in other videos. So first we have the Friday 13th VHS. Also Friday 13th DVD, actually signed by Adrian King and Ari Lehman. And I'm going to leave a link in the description below to a recent video I just did, Convention Collections Part 1, Media, where I showcase some of the media that I've gotten signed at some conventions over the last few years. So definitely check that out. Also have the Friday 13th Uncut Blu-ray edition, as well as the 8-movie Paramount collection. Unfortunately, I don't have the coveted tin, but the second they come out with that new rumored collection that's going to include both the Paramount and New Line movies, I'm going to be first in line to pick that up. So let's jump into the Steelbook. Here it is again. Really nice cover, nice and simple. It's just the poster artwork, and it works. It's iconic. Here is the spine. There's the J card. A little bit about the movie. And here are some of the special features. Now, if you're looking to get this, guys, for any new special features, it's not going to have it. This is essentially a re-release of this version, and also this version. In fact, if you take the disc out of this one, it's the identical disc of the 8-movie collection. But if you look at the special features, they're the same. You have the commentary, you have the reunion, all that stuff. It's both here. So if you're looking to get something new, it's not in this release. You're really getting this for the packaging. So I'll take the J card off, and it's got some nice artwork in the back. Killer, mommy, killer. Sorry about that. I actually met Betsy Palmer years ago. She was a really nice woman, very sweet. And I actually have a video of her saying "Killer, mommy, killer," which I really need to find. But yeah, really, really sweet woman. So let's crack this open. Let me take out the digital code. And here's the disc. Like I said, if you have the 8-movie collection, this is the identical disc, so nothing new there. But definitely some cool inside artwork of the lake and the trees in red, and the boat. So yeah, really nice artwork. And yeah, that's it, guys. That is Friday the 13th, the 40th anniversary Steelbook edition. Let me know in the comments below, did you pick this up? What movies, what multiples of the same movies do you have in your collection? I'd like to know. Don't forget to like, subscribe, yada, 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 all that stuff. But thanks for stopping by. Diesel. See you later.